Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you WaxNo shave how to remove pubic hair without pain. Vertical bar pubic hair removal, easy home remedies. For this we will needs water, baking soda, take 200 milliliters or 1 cup of lukewarm water in a container. Add 1 tablespoon baking soda and mix them together. Now take a cotton ball and soak it into the mixer and apply it on your pubic area. Leave it for whole night and wash it at the morning. Repeat the process for 3 times in a week. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.